donuts. What's going on, everyone, and welcome back. As you can see behind me, the Coyote Fox is back on the ground. Finally got the 430s installed. So here they are installed, 430s. Pretty excited about getting this thing back together and going for a test drive. So hopefully this will get me in the 10s in the quarter mile, 6s in the 8th. But we shall see. Went for a couple test drives and everything seems good. She pulls hard. Did get caught in a little bit of rain and that sucked. But anyway, I filmed my test drives for you guys. They're coming up right after this. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Perfect.